What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm going to unbox and check this 2.1 multimedia speaker, and this is from TRONICA. As you know, the TRONICA is a quite standard Indian brand, and they are growing now, so they make very good quality speakers at a budget price. So this is one of their creation. It's not just small channel speakers and a big woofer. The whole concept is like about the tower. So this thing is having two very thin line tower, and the subwoofer is also looks kind of tower speaker. So that's the combination of 2.1 all tower speakers. Let's unbox and check this thing. Quite good, but I don't like this smell. So at the top you get this handwritten then printed what to say, welcome note or something like that, and there's a WhatsApp number at the bottom, so in case any query or a problem or service thing, you just need to WhatsApp to their number. So that's the only documentation in this box. And now at the top, so that's the one tower, and that's another tower. And in one packet you get remote control and RCA cord and all, and that's the main subwoofer unit. And nothing else in the box. Alright, so the build quality is okay, not that great. MDF wood, and that's the front side. The subwoofer TRONICA logo is there, and at the bottom that's the air passing port, and at the top that's the USB display control, and at the right side you get this volume, bass and treble knob, and that's the subwoofer driver. Well, I must say that here in this case I am a little bit of disappointed, because this is a 4-inch driver and I was expecting like at least a 5.25 inch or maybe 6-inch should have been better, but at least 5.25 inch driver would have been better. But this is a 4-inch driver. What makes me disappointed. Well, anyway, let's check the sound and all, then we'll decide how good is this. So let's keep it aside. Well, that's one tower speaker which is taller than the main subwoofer unit. 2-3-inch driver, and at the top this glass finish is there, and the TRONICA logo is right there at the bottom, the air passing port, and at the back the bottom side is totally sealed, as the speakers are at the top side, so you can remove this top part to repair or change the speaker driver. That's a nice thing. So that's another tower, and same design and same things and all. So these wires are connected with a RCA jack, so it's easy to connect them. So these are the wires, and the wire length, as you can see, maybe 2.5 feet, something like that. It could have been more, so you can keep those speakers to a far distance from the TV or wherever you are connecting, so you'd get much better sound. But the length of the wires are not so good. Anyway, now let's take a look at the back of the main unit. You can see the whole back part is removable. All those screws are there, and at the top, that's the connection for the auxiliary input, and the bottom, the speaker output for left and right. That's the antenna wire, and at the bottom there's a power switch and power cord. That's it. Pretty simple. So now let's connect them and then check the sound of it. Right, so you can keep these two tower speakers just like this and make it a soundbar. There are some foam pads are there at the bottom. You can remove them and completely join them to each other. Even you can stick some tape on the top and bottom so they don't move easily, and you can use them as a soundbar. They're quite big in length, and yeah, that's nice thing. And about the sound, it cannot compare with the Zebronics or Philips what they are making nowadays, but it's quite good and I like that. But the problem is the loudness is not that much loud. But another nice thing is that this thing is produce good bass, but not that heavy thumping bass. Kind of boom boom kind of bass. So as this is a small subwoofer driver, and if it try to make heavy bass, that wouldn't be louder either. So that's why it's okay, and I just need some little more loudness. But except that, this is okay, and the sound quality is quite good, I must say. But as I told you, not as good like the Philips and the Zebronics nowadays they are making, but very close to their budget speakers. So overall, this is a good speaker, and you can try this for only 3,000 rupees. Bought this from Amazon, and that's it. That's all for today. If you want to know anything more about these speakers and all, you can ask me in the comments below, and I'd love to reply to all of you guys. And if you didn't subscribe yet, then go there and click that red button right there. Subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.